Hello students, my name is Sanjay Jain. Till now we have discussed in triangles about side angle side congruency rule, which is considered as obvious universal truth, or it is an axiom which doesn't require any kind of proof. Then based on that knowledge, we proved angle side angle congruency criteria, right? Till now we have done this much, right? Now based on these two criteria, we will discuss some properties of a triangle. Basically we will discuss about isosceles triangle, and I told you in the introduction also that if two sides of a triangle are equal, then this triangle is isosceles triangle, right? And there is another property of isosceles triangle, that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. For example, in this particular triangle, this angle is opposite this side and this angle is opposite this side, hence these are equal. If this is alpha, this angle will also be alpha. Now we will prove these results, okay, based on our knowledge. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So let us take an isosceles triangle ABC, and let us say AB is equal to AC. So we need to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. So what do we have to prove here? That angle B is equal to angle C. And what is given in the question? That side AB is equal to side AC, because triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so this much is given and this is what we need to prove. So let's do a little construction here. Construction. I wanted to draw an angle bisector of angle A. So if I draw an angle bisector here, this angle will be equal to this angle. Let us denote or name this angle as theta. So this angle will also be theta. Okay, why am I naming these angles by these theta, alpha, beta? So that you can visualize them easily, right? Just by looking at this figure, you can see that this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so this is the construction that I have done. Draw angle bisector of angle A, right? And let it meet BC at point D. Okay, so AD is the angular bisector of angle A. Now look at this triangle. In triangle, now this is the proof. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, side AB is equal to side AC. Why? Because it is already given. Okay, look at this side, side AD. Side AD is common to both the triangles. So I can say side AD is equal to side AD, and it is common to both the triangles, right? Now the angle between them, angle included between these two sides is equal by construction, because we have constructed it in a such a way that AD is the angular bisector of angle A. So I can say angle BAD, this one, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. AD is angle bisector of angle A by construction, right? Now see, two sides and included angle, two sides and included angle are equal. So by side angle side congruency rule, I can say triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, right? This statement is to be made after confirming the correspondence. This statement has to be made after you confirm the correspondence in your mind, that AB is equal to AC. So, AB has to be equal to AC here. AD is equal to AD. So, A and D are on first and third place, right? Angle BAD. So, BAD is equal to angle CAD, right? So, you need to confirm the correspondence. Now, I can say that these two triangles are congruent. So, once I say that these two triangles are congruent, the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So, angle B in triangle ABD is equal to angle C in triangle ACD. So, angle B is equal to angle C because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, right? Or you just say by CPCT, that is it, okay. So, we can say that the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now, the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. This is just the converse of theorem we just studied, right. So, this time let us say this angle is equal to this angle. These two angles are equal and this is triangle ABC, okay, and we need to see whether these sides are equal. So, to prove side AB equal side AC, right, and what is given? It is given that angle B is equal to angle C, and let us do a construction here. Let us do a construction here. What should be the construction? Let us draw AD perpendicular to BC, right. So, I am drawing AD which is perpendicular to BC. So, if this angle is 90 degrees, this angle will also be 90 degrees, right. So, proof, it is given that angle B is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle D by construction. So, let us say angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, both are equal to 90 degree by construction, alright. Now, two angles are equal for these two triangles. So, the third angle has to be equal. This is what we have discussed already. So, this angle, the third angle has to be equal to the third angle of this triangle. So, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. If two angles of two triangles are equal, if two angles of two triangles are equal, then the third angle will also be equal, alright. So, now see this angle, in this triangle this angle and this angle, these are equal and side AD is common. So, what can you see? Side AD is equal to side AD which is common to both the triangles. So, what can I say? By angle side angle congruency criteria, right, which angle? I have shown you, let me show you once again. In this triangle I am talking about this angle here, this angle and this side, right, and in this triangle ADC I am talking about this angle and this side AD, right. So, by angle side angle congruency criteria I can say these two triangles, which two triangles? Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, right, and if these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Hence, I can say side AB is equal to side AC. Side AB is equal to side AC by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Okay, hence proved. Right. So, what we have seen by now is that if there is an isosceles triangle, two sides of this are equal and angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, and vice versa is also true, that the sides opposite to equal angles in a triangle are equal. Okay.
Now, subscribe to Bright Tutee course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Tutee app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Tutee courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Tutee follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutee and avail your courses at affordable prices.